you're looking at this title and you're thinking, Shirley, you can't be serious. Don't call me Shirley. Here's the deal. About a year ago, we got this old Porsche, rescued it from behind a shed, got it running, and well, she's got a little bit of an engine noise. Let's have a listen. Now, it might be slightly hard to hear on camera, so let me know if you hear anything. Might be a valve out of adjustment, or worse. Now, here are my thoughts. Yeah, it may need a part or two inside. Instead of fixing it mechanically, maybe we can fix it chemically. Hence what I have right here. A product I'm about to invent right in front of your eyes. It's a mixture of all sorts of different things. That we can hopefully put together and make it like new again. Right. What I have here is a jug marked 7 quarts. Believe it or not, that damn thing holds 7 quarts of oil. So, step 1. Funnel. Guess we could start off with some good old regular 15W40 diesel oil. I think we'll give it about a quart. There you go. Estimate 1 quart 15W40. Take notes, you're going to want to learn this. Okay, I think next we'll add about 3 quarts of 85 140 gear oil. You know, because the gears in there are worn. The gears in the oil pump are worn. The gear oil, it'll help. Oh, that's thick. Let's go a little more. All right, making a big mess. What else is new? Okay, next, Automotive Restore products, engine restore, 4-cylinder formula. Perfect, that's what I got. Let's see here. Restores compression, restores horsepower, restores engine life, and reduces oil consumption. Next, we got the good old STP. Contains zinc and anti-wear agent ZDDP. Reduces oil burning. Now we got twice the help on that. Lubricates moving engine parts. Needs that. Ugh. Yep. Oh, I guess we got a ways to go. Now, I believe the next product needs no introduction. You know the deal. Lucas. Oil alone is not enough. Eliminates dry starts. #1 cause of wear in new engines. Seals worn cylinders, a slow consumption. Now we got 3 parts of reduced oil consumption. It's getting newer by the quart, you know what I mean? Cools and quiets engines and gearboxes. This thing will be as quiet as can be when we're done. Not only is oil alone not enough, 1 quart of that's not enough. We're gonna make that about 1.5 quarts with the old Lucas. Shake it more than 3 times, you're playing with it. All right. I am making a big mess. Just to ensure that we don't have too thick of a mixture, I'm gonna add in a little bit of non-detergent 3008 from the 80s. Some say it was thicker back then. I don't know. We're gonna find out. If anything, it's washing the funnel out. All right, we seem to have some room to spare. What else can we come up with? Ah. Hercules powder. Okay, well, I guess we'll just finish with what we started with. Go ahead and top her off. All right, well, now the biggest key is mixture. You want to shake it up real good. Luckily, I got some lawn to mow today, so I got an idea. Just like that, there we have it. I had to name it already just to keep the investors happy, but here we have patent pending. Rod's not be gone. My name's not Rod or anything, it's the piston rod. Anyway. We had a bit of a fuel pressure issue, but it's all going to go away. Remember, it's going to be like brand new. And you're also probably wondering, well, aren't you going to change the oil filter? Look, here's the thing. The oil filter already has all those potential bearing rebuilding minerals in it. So as the egg yolk and the PB blaster work together and they're in unison, it's going to pull those bearing materials back out of the oil filter and replace them back into where they came from. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Dear Callahan Auto Parts, I'm writing you this afternoon to deliver some unfortunate news. After performing some rigorous testing on my product, I came to the unfortunate scientific conclusion that this shit just doesn't work. Believe me when I say, I will do my best to locate and refund the $1.8 billion you've invested. Sincerely, JP. Son of a bitch.
Well, in all reality, I'm surprised it quieted it down as much as it did. But, you know, when you got 14 quarts of gas in the crankcase, it's going to make some noise. But yeah, I think it officially says that the engine is, well, it's junk. But I do have a replacement for it, so stay tuned. We're going to swap a different engine into it, clean this thing up, and move it on down the road. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.